Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start right away. Make sure the JBL Tune 510BT has at least 50% battery or is charging. This prevents interruption during the reset. Once powered, power the headset on, then hold the power button for roughly 5 seconds to enter normal mode. This ensures the unit is responsive. Next, turn off Bluetooth on any phone or computer paired to it. This avoids automatic reconnection while you perform the factory action. The goal here is a clean state before the actual reset. Now you perform the reset. With the headset powered off, press and hold the power button and volume up together for about 10 seconds. This combination triggers the factory restore. Keep holding until the LED begins a distinct flash pattern. That visual confirms the internal settings have been cleared. You do this because the device erases stored pairings and returns default audio profiles, resolving connectivity or setting issues. After the flash, release the buttons and let the unit finish its internal reboot cycle. Finish by pairing. Turn Bluetooth back on in your device and set the JBL as a new connection. Choose JBL Tune 510BT from available devices. If it does not appear, make sure the headset is in pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED alternates, then retry pairing. If problems persist, power cycle both the headphones and phone and try the reset once more. Remember, the reset removes all saved devices and custom settings, so reconfigure EQ or presets after reconnecting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.